So it's summer's biggest fruit in more than one way, and while it's usually eaten by the slice, big, juicy melons, watermelons, more versatile than you might think. Dina Driggs is joining me in the kitchen to dive into the wild world of watermelon. Is it wild? We're gonna make it wild.
It's so fun. There's so much to do with watermelon, and I just am excited about all that we're gonna talk about today.
So I had this funny moment at the grocery store. It was before the 4th of July, and I was going to get a watermelon, and they put them in those cardboard, boxes. And there were other women at every face of the square, and every shopper was doing something different. One was doing the thump, one was smelling. I could see the other counting for bee stings. We looked like a comedy of errors, and I just walked up and grabbed mine. So you need a method. What's your method to choose the best one?
One of the things I love, and my sister-in-law taught me this years ago, and I've used it, and it's worked really well for me.
Okay.
And what you do is you pick the biggest watermelon.
The biggest?
Yeah, because you want something that's ripe.
Uh-huh.
And the biggest usually is the most ripe.
Okay.
So there's some things about that. You also want to look for, and I don't know if you guys can get a close-up on this, but these are bee stings. This is what you're looking for.
Yeah.
You're looking for these scratches. If the bees like it, then we're gonna like it.
We know it's sweet.
Right? You also wanna look for this. This is a field spot. It's been laying in the field, and it's getting lots of water because it's down low, so it's nice and ripe. So those are 3 things that I do.
That's your checkpoint.
I always try to get the biggest bee stings and the field spot.
I mean, whatever you do, have a method. Don't just be the girl that walks up and grabs it out of the
Well, I can't do the thump method. I don't know how to do it. I mean, I see people doing it at the store, and I'm like, what are you listening for?
Tell me more. It's like trying to read the baby ultrasound.
Right?
Like, can we really see what we think we're seeing?
Somebody tell me. What am I supposed to do?
All right, you've got a variety of delicious recipes. Let's start with the watermelon fries.
Okay, this is just a really fun way to cut your watermelon. So if you're gonna serve it as with a fruit dip,
yes,
this is just so great.
May I?
Absolutely. Okay, but then I just had so much fun making dips that I just did a plethora.
Dip to dip.
Yes, okay, but you have to try this one because I think this one is the best. But there's a lot of people who don't, okay, basically all these fruit dips come with cream cheese, marshmallow fluff, or Cool Whip, and it's a combination of some or others.
What was that I just ate?
Isn't that so good?
That's amazing. That's it. What is that?
I know. So this is cream cheese and marshmallow fluff, but it's got nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
And it has lemon juice in it, and it has ginger.
Yeah, it had a savory flavor that I wasn't expecting. That is a winner.
That is so good.
That's
okay,
good.
And the recipe is coming up. We've got it on Studio 5, so you'll be able to find it, and it will also be on my website.
But basic cream cheese,
marshmallow fluff,
and then play.
And Cool Whip. But I also found some that had yogurt in it. So you can use cream cheese or yogurt. So if you're not a cream cheese lover, then it's so fun with yogurt because you've got lemon, lime, orange, strawberry, raspberry, pomegranate, coconut. You could do a million things.
Nutmeg and ginger. I did not see that coming.
It's so fun. And this one has brown sugar in it. This one has a vanilla pudding in it, an instant vanilla pudding. So there's a lot of really fun things you could do.
Yeah, we know we're going to be eating watermelon. We can have fun with what we dip it in.
Exactly.
Very cool. And I like the idea of a little dip bar too. That's cute. That's cute. All right, what else can we do with the wonderful watermelon?
Okay, my other fun thing has been this watermelon salsa. And what really dawned on me with the watermelon salsa is if you have kids that don't like tomatoes, they don't like chunky tomatoes, this is your go-to. I mean, it tastes, if you were to take a chip and eat it, you would think, oh my gosh, this is just a regular old salsa. I can totally taste everything in it. And we're gonna make some. We're gonna make a mango one.
That's delicious.
I know, ready?
Okay.
Okay, so we're starting with some watermelon. We've just got a couple of cups with watermelon. I'm adding in what you would normally add with a salsa. We've got chopped, this is jalapenos.
Okay.
And I've got some red onion right here. And I'm gonna put in my cilantro. And I'm gonna put in my mango.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right?
I guarantee mouths are watering through that screen.
Okay.
You feeling it with us at home?
I'm gonna put just a dash of sugar.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the spoon.
Yes.
And I'm gonna take just my little zester, which is my favorite tool in my kitchen. Absolutely love it. And I'm just gonna zest in some lime.
Oh, it hit me. It hit me. I'm here for it. That smells amazing.
Right?
Yes.
And then you can also add in some basil. So I've got some really fun basil leaves that I have picked off my basil plant. and I'm rolling it up. This is kind of a fun little chefy thing. It's called a chiffonade.
A chiffonade.
Yes.
Which sounds like something I did in 4th grade square dancing class, but no. This is for our watermelon
right?
salsa.
And it's just got all this yummy basil that I'm gonna just toss in there.
Oh, the smells.
Right?
Yes. Okay, this is what's for lunch. Are you kidding me?
And you can use it on tacos. You could have it on salmon. You could have it. It's just so yummy. Oh. And that was just this totally most fresh, wonderful thing.
I will be making this. Okay, while I take one more bite, yet again, I'm the professional taste tester in today's
okay,
show.
We're moving on to what is called watermelon syrup. Okay, so this was super fun. If you guys like Tirani or Tironi, I don't know how you pronounce it, you take watermelon and you blend it up, and then you're gonna run it through a colander.
Okay.
And then it's 1 3/4 cup watermelon juice to a cup of sugar. And then you're gonna shake, 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 shake.
Don't even need to put it on the stove.
No, and you don't want to cook it. Cooked watermelon does not taste the same as fresh watermelon.
Oh, okay.
So we've got this, I've already shaken it, and now I'm gonna add it to some lime juice.
Fresh watermelon syrup.
And I'm gonna add it to some lemonade.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, my job continues. The work never ends. It never ends.
The other fun thing is you can also use this, and we're gonna make just a little Italian soda. That's some club soda we got going on in there.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna add just a little bit of the whipping cream.
This is so refreshing and so good. And it doesn't leave that aftertaste of lemonade.
You doing this one too?
You bet I am. You know I am.
Okay, so this is so versatile. This watermelon syrup is really fun, and there's just a lot of really fun things you can do with it.
All right, Dina, thank you so much. Did we get it all?
No, we've got one more.
One more, go girl.
Okay, we've got frozen watermelon.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm gonna throw in just a little bit of maple syrup.
Okay, what are we making? What is this?
This is a coconut watermelon smoothie.
What?
I know. So this is just coconut milk that I've added in. We're gonna throw it into the blender.
Maple syrup, frozen watermelon, and coconut milk? What was that? Coconut milk.
And just like that,
we have ourselves a smoothie.
What?
A summer smoothie. Listen, I am not overcommitting when I say I will be making every single one of these recipes.
And I didn't quite get all the way mixed up.
I'm making a confession right now. I don't even really like watermelon all that much.
Oh my gosh, Brooke.
I would pass it on the picnic table every day. Oh. But no, I will be making all of these.
You're so cute.
The freshness of the milk.
I know. And it's just, there's so much fun things you can do with watermelon. And the thing about it is a lot of times we eat a watermelon, we eat half of it, and then we don't use the other half of it. We end up throwing it away. And it's like, here's a million different things that you can do to use all your watermelon.
Cheers to that. You will get all the fun and all the deliciousness in recipes from Dina every day over on your website, your Instagram. How can we connect?
DinasDiner.com. That is where you can find all the recipes in full, and I'm on Instagram, I'm on Pinterest, and I'm on Facebook.
Dina's Diner, be sure to give her a follow. Really, so delicious, friends.
You're
Thank
so
you.
fun.
Thank you very much.